I'm Ava. I'm 20, and this is my room. I major in environmental science and Spanish, and I like to collect things. I like a lot of the animals people don't like, so I like to pick up things that are small and crawling, and I like to notice the little things that people don't usually see. When I was little, I started off collecting bugs, so I got bug tanks, and I would go outside before it rained and I would collect all the bugs I could and bring them inside and put them in all my different tanks and nets and stuff, and I would wait until the rain went away and then I would release them back out. My environmental pet peeve is when people want to save the bees, but the bees that they're talking about and have on their posters are western honeybees. Those bees are not native here, and they're used as livestock like cows or any other animal. They were brought over from Europe, and so they are a tremendous help in our agriculture for like almonds and all sorts of things that need fertilization from pollination. But those are not the bees that we should be worrying about. We should be worrying about the bees that are native here and the native pollinators that we have here, which are really cool. It's not wasps you should be scared of, it's yellow jackets. Wasps are very curious by nature, especially the orange paper wasps that you see around here commonly. They're actually pretty nice. They'll let you pick them up and hold them. They won't sting you for the most part. It's the yellow jackets they have to worry about. Those are just little menaces. They're so mean. Honestly, I think everything's fun about our major, but a lot of people think it's all boring. I just think learning about it is fun. But I love that we get to go outside on field trips and stuff. The other day we went to the Murfreesboro water treatment plant, so that was a lot of fun. The creepiest crawly that I've seen, probably house centipedes. I love them, but they're also kind of like, they make me like cringe because they have so many like moving parts. I like them, but they're also a little bit scary. But they eat spiders, so if you have house centipedes in your house and you don't like spiders, leave them. They're pretty cool. These are my shrimp. I love my shrimp a lot. These are called yellow lineback shrimp because they have a yellow line on their back. And this is classified as Neocardinia shrimp. And this is called an Amano shrimp. They're bigger and they like to eat algae. And they just got added in the tank today. My favorite rocks are definitely the rocks that I find. In Tennessee, we have a lot of limestone, so I find a lot of fossils here. So I love going out into the woods and finding fossilized crinoids and fossilized coral. Honestly, I could give you more reasons why not to become an environmental science major. I really like my major, but I see so many people who get into it because of like, they think it's going to be one thing and it's another, or they're like more passionate about like the politics side of it, which is kind of weird, or I don't know what, but there's a lot of different facets that you could bring into it, but a lot of people just seem to get burnt out by it. It's kind of weird.
Are you burnt out by it?
No, I could do this every day of my life.